So if you're in some kind of a dispute or lawsuit or fraud or embezzlement, how do you know if you actually have a case? If you're trying to contact attorneys, if you're trying to do an investigation, how do you even know if your case is valid? Well, whether you have a case or not is determined by a few things. First of all, whether legally you have damages against you that are recoverable. More importantly, even if technically you have a case, it still has to get through three different obstacles. One is getting an attorney to take your case. Even if you have a valid case, if you can't find an attorney how to actually take your case, then you're not going to go anywhere, right? We have other videos. You can check out our video library about how to get an attorney to take your case, giving the best options for that. Even if you have a good case, if you don't present it to attorneys the right way, no one's going to take it. Attorneys are very selective about not only cases, but more importantly, their clients. The case is only part of it. The client they have to deal with is sometimes more important than how valid the case is. And has nothing to do with how much money you're going to pay. It's more about how your case is going to match what that attorney's client profile. Your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video. File is, and we can tell you how to get more likely to have an attorney jump on your case. Next thing is you have to get past the court, the jury, the judge, whoever's deciding your case. Now, part of that's the attorney, but also part of it is you putting together the right documentation, the right evidence, and the right logical story that's bulletproof. Because remember, the other side of your case is going to argue just as hard that they're right and you're wrong. So you want to have a good attorney that's going to execute not only proper court procedure, but also strategy on how to work that case. Most attorneys are going to know how to do procedure, objections, motions, depositions. That's not the hard part. The hard part is getting a good strategy to defeat the other side. Good example is in sports. Most, football teams know how to play football. Do they have the strategy to win and conquer and win the Super Bowl? That's going to be key. Now remember, we're not attorneys. We're not giving you legal advice, but we can give you professional advice on how to get an attorney to take your case, do an investigation to get the evidence correct. And you got to remember, our website, activeintel.com, will give you investigative resources. Our website, actualhuman.com, can give you live advisement, one-on-one, undivided attention consultation. We even have a division at Telemediator that can do conflict resolution. So whatever stage you're at in your dispute, your conflict with another party, you have resources available to you to maximize your probability of success and minimize the downside, because that's really where it can get worse. If you already lost something, you don't want to lose more because you made the wrong moves. Thank you for watching another video at actualhuman.com and describe.tv. Remember, if you have questions or comments about our videos, put them in the link below. Also, remember that you have availability and access to live one-on-one question and answer consultation with a licensed expert in a number of fields: investigations, insurance, surety bonds, civil court mediation, even things like real estate records research, real estate brokers, real estate mortgage lenders. In addition, you're going to find that experts are available in business segments, business development, marketing, advertising, certified licensed experts. So if you do find this content valuable and you want to delve more deeply into a subject, you can't ask YouTube a question, right? But if you want to talk to somebody live, an actual human, use the link below. Thanks for watching.